Hello friends, I have something really important to discuss with you. This could literally change your career and you could get shortlisted with one of the big MNCs. Stay tuned with us till the very end and don't miss out on a once in a lifetime opportunity. Students, I am connected with the HR managers of big multinational companies and big consultancy firms. So I keep asking them, what are your preferences when you shortlist a candidate? And one point that I have found common amongst them all is the increasing importance of globally accepted professional commerce courses like USCFA, USCMA, ACCA of UK, CPA, and so on. While chartered accountants, company secretaries, CMAs remain their top choice for finance and accounting roles, but there is an increased opportunity if you have one or more of these globally accepted courses also in your kitty and in your resume. Keeping this in mind, we at JK Shah Classes have built our capabilities over the last 2 years and developed a fantastic faculty pool for all of these foreign courses like CFA, ACCA, USCMA, and so on. Today, I can proudly say that in the foreign courses segment, we are truly a force to reckon with. With this, we at JK Shah Classes come to you with a one-time offer, an inaugural offer of its sort. JKSC goes global. Allow me to explain. Whether you are an in-house JKSC student or not, today you can purchase a voucher of $999 with us and get a credit of $2999 with us for enrolling in any of the foreign courses that we have to offer. This voucher is valid till 31st of July 2029. Yes, it is valid for 5 years from now. You don't have to start your foreign course journey right away. You only need to pay this token amount and get this amazing scholarship of 2000 rupees from JK Shah Classes. You can choose to enroll with any of the foreign courses that we offer any time till July 2029, and mind you, this is not the only offer that we have. As an additional benefit, we tell you that if you enroll with us at this point, if you take this voucher and you pay this token amount, you will always be considered as an early bird student at JK Shah Classes, which means at the time of enrollment, whatever are the fees applicable for an early bird batch student, you will always have benefit of it apart from getting this additional credit of $2999. This is a small gift from our end to help you kickstart thinking about adding globally accepted courses to your profile. At a pan-India level, we have 5,000 vouchers to be given out, and that will be done on a first come first serve basis. Like I said, this is a one-time offer, not coming back anytime soon. So der kis baat ki, go and enroll today itself. Hurry up, take this voucher, take this benefit and kickstart your journey to professional commerce courses which are globally accepted. You can enroll for these courses by clicking on the link given in the description of this video, or you can get more details by contacting on this number. Thank you and all the best from all of us at JK Shah Classes.